welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Pan Interrupted, which is our supernatural project pan that Amanda and I are doing together. We are panning a product for every single episode of Supernatural that has ever aired or ever will air, and I'm so sad that Supernatural is coming to an end. But this project isn't. We've got a long way to go. We're only on season 2, so it's going to be going on for a very, very long time. But, you know, we're enjoying it. We started this, I want to say February of last year, I think. No, we started in August. We started August of last year. Hey, sweetheart. My daughter's here with me. And yeah, it's not over until all of the products for all of the episodes are done. I, of course, I'm going to have Amanda link down below, and I'm going to have her gorgeous face at the end of the movie video. Woo! If you want to... Okay, you got it. Her gorgeous face will be at the end of the video. There you go. If you want to go check out her channel and see how she's doing with her projects. Oh, you need your volume? There you go. There you go. She's got to have her Kindle. All right, let's get into this because this has already been a little scattered. I'm a little scattered. I'm just not right in the head today. We had a death in our family yesterday, and my dog that I had for 13 years, yeah, she wasn't doing so good, so we lost our min pin yesterday, and I'm trying to keep it together because, you know, I don't want to be a sad person. She had a great life, and she's up there with her big brother and my mom, so woosah. All right, let's get on to the good stuff. All right. Hi, baby. I love you too. I love you. Can mommy finish filming? And then we'll snuggle? You want to get on mommy's bed? Okay, let's try this. I have 2 products that I have either hit goal on or finished. The first one is for the episode of Children Shouldn't Play with Dead Things. And there's my phone. Does it seem like this happens a lot lately? All right, I am back. I just had to stop that from ringing. It was like a solicitor or something. You know, one of those scam calls, and I don't bother with those. All right, Children Shouldn't Play with Dead Things. That is a female ghost that is trying to get revenge, and she's a bad, bad girl. So I chose the NYX Sex Bomb Femme Fatale, and I was working on the matte cream shade that was right here. I actually had pressed it into a pan so I could put it in my magnetic palette. It is gone. I did enjoy it a whole lot, and I'm glad it's done because, you know, getting some working on some other palettes, that is a good thing. All right, the other one comes from a palette. It was just to hit pan on. This is from Playthings. There's a lot of playing going on here in Supernatural. And in Playthings, the grandmother's name is Rose. She is protecting the hotel where they live with hoodoo symbols. So I focused on the grandmother, who's actually a ghost, with the name of Rose. I chose a rose-colored eyeshadow from my Coastal Scents 88 palettes. And I'm going to hold it upside down just because it's easier. And I was trying to hit pan, and there it is. There is my pan. And I enjoyed that quite a lot. Like, pinks I've been really into lately. As you can tell by all my videos with pink eyeshadow. And I actually have it in my crease today and on my lower lash line, which I did my makeup a little while ago. So it's harder to see that right now. But I enjoyed it quite a lot. All right. So I still have other products in, other episodes. Let me get into what we still have here. We're doing 6 at a time. So the next one is No Exit, and that was they found ectoplasm, which is like a gelatinous goo. I have to keep explaining this. So I chose this Pantene Total Control Gel. I used it only once since last time. This was my mark from last time, and I am just below that. And I didn't even bother making a new mark on it because there just isn't enough usage on that one. For The Usual Suspects, this is about a ghost's soul. And so I went with the typical ghost color, which is white. And it is the Coastal Scents Ultra Silk Mica Powder. Looks like that. not really an easy way to measure this one, but it is getting some usage, not a ton. I'm probably going to really focus on that in this next month. So hopefully that will be done by the next update. All right, going on to the Croatoan, that is where Sam sees a vision, or has a vision, of Dean killing a man with a scar on his head. So I have this Revitagen stretch mark and skin rejuvenating cream. It also works on scars. So that's why I chose this one. I was at the blue last time. Now I'm at this like mauvey color. It's the same that I have on my nails right now. And yeah, it's going to be slow going. And the last one from Rolling Over is Hunted, and that is where Sam goes to see Ash about a clairvoyant, to find a clairvoyant. So I chose this Hot Potent Ashen, and I'm just trying to hit pan. I don't know if you can see that dip starting in there. It is getting a little bit better every update. I'm hoping that I can hit pan on that by the next update. If not, it will be the update after that one. All right, so I finished or hit goal on 2 of my products, so I need to roll 2 in. I kind of picked 2 easier products for this update because sometimes a girl just needs easy, and I need that right now. So the first one is Nightshifter, and I went off the name for this one. It was just easier this time. And I chose the Algenist. This is the Recharging Night Pressed Serum. So Nightshifter, Night Serum. It is brand new. Haven't even touched it. I have no idea if I'm going to like this or not, but we shall see. So that is for Nightshifter. And Houses of the Holy, in there is an angel that comes down and talks to Gloria in this white light, this bright white light, and tells her to kill people. And so I went with the bright white light, and I chose this lotion that I got at one of the hotels. I don't remember when I got it. It's technically by Jhirmack, but it is just a white lotion, so this is representative of the angel in the white light. This should be done by the next update. So that one should be easy. Pardon me. All right, I am going to wrap this up because I got a lot to do. It's been a little bit crazy and hectic around here, so girls got to get some stuff done. I do have some more filming I need to do to catch up, but you know how that goes. All right, Amanda is going to be listed down below, so definitely go check her out and show her some love. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.